That's right. We're going to keep a very close eye on Tropical Depression number 9. It is expected to become Tropical Storm Imelda. Right now, hurricane hunters finishing up one of their missions into the storm. We're going to see those flights happening very, very often, getting the latest information as this continues to develop. So it's expected to become a tropical storm. Could see that maybe sometime later on tonight. And then eventually this could become a hurricane once it does continue to make that track towards the north. Here's the latest advisory that just came out. It's going to say, again, a tropical storm likely as it heads up into the Bahamas and then eventually staying off the east coast of Florida. So at the most western end of the track, this puts it about 50 miles off our coast. The furthest part of the track, it puts it over 200 miles away. The center, 150. So the center of the storm does stay within the cone that NOAA National Hurricane Center puts out 2/3 of the time. So very good likelihood that we're going to see this staying just a couple hundred miles, just again off to our east. Eventually, though, we'll see this strengthen further. We have very warm waters into a Category 1 hurricane. Models do take this away from the United States, but we're still going to be dealing with coastal impacts because of its proximity to land. So here's what we're looking at. We could see occasional wind gusts for areas that are under that tropical storm warning, tropical storm watch, anywhere between 35 up to 57 miles per hour at max. Tropical downpours area wide, rough surf, rip currents, potential for some coastal flooding as well. Tornado threat is on the lower end for what we're expecting Sunday into Monday. So we have our tropical depression number 9 right there, bringing that rain to Cuba, the Bahamas, and even into Jamaica, Haiti, and then to its east. We have a Category 5 hurricane. This is Humberto, very healthy, very defined eye wall there with the storm. This will not impact the United States, although it can come very close to Bermuda. Here are the latest computer model runs, both systems, again, taking that track well to the west, and then eventually we'll see this big curve from Humberto. We'll see that curve, sharp curve, from what will become tropical storm, eventually Hurricane Imelda, as we head into that brand new work week. So things that we're going to be watching out for are things happening in the upper levels of the atmosphere. We look at the steering, we look at what else is happening. We have this frontal boundary that's going to help keep it just kind of offshore. And then we have this scenario where areas of low pressure follow areas of lower pressure, which is going to be the case in this scenario because we have that very strong Category 5, even Category 4 hurricane at this point, just well to our east. And then we'll have a Category 1 hurricane. So this is pretty much basic physics when it comes to tropical systems. This is why we're not anticipating, this is why the models are not anticipating any direct landfalls across the continental United States. Let me show you the future wave heights in the upcoming days. We see those seas with Humberto up to 30, 40 plus feet. And then what will become Imelda, we'll see those seas anywhere between 5 to 10 feet offshore our beaches. And we'll start to see improvements by the end of the week, so at the beginning of October. But for now, we are going to continue to monitor the progress of the storm. So hazards will be future tropical storm Imelda, winds gusting up tomorrow 25 to 15 up to 25 knots. High and rip current risk through our area, wide beaches, seas again up to 5 to 10 feet offshore, very choppy in the intracoastal starting with tomorrow. So we're going to start to see our conditions deteriorating as we head throughout your Sunday. For the rest of the night, we'll keep an isolated shower chance in the forecast. Heading into your Sunday morning, we can't rule out a couple coastal showers just before 8 a.m. Then look at the increase in moisture, downpours, tropical downpours at times. Within this, we could see some gusty winds embedded in it. Now, the tornado threat is on the lower end, but still something that we're going to be watching out for. So as you fast forward into your Monday, we'll start to see improvements across the area, starting with rain wrapping up, and then of course with the winds also becoming a little bit weaker as the system pulls away. So impact weather Sunday as we continue to track what will become Imelda, and then Monday we'll start to see better conditions through the area. We'll be back into the 90s before you know it. A little bit drier air will be on the backside of the system Tuesday into Wednesday, and then we could see a couple of showers making a return to the forecast Thursday, Friday, and into the following weekend.
Now,